Hi, today I want to show you a crochet kit I picked up. This is the My Little Pony crochet kit and the patterns are by Jana Whitley. In this box you get everything you need to make two of the ponies, and that is Twilight Sparkle and Rainbow Dash. And then you've got the patterns to make all 12 of the ponies and characters that are displayed along the side of the box. So I'm just going to get this box opened up and then we're going to go ahead and take a look at all the stuff that's inside. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you one of the ponies that I made. I did not use the yarn that was provided in the box. I used the yarn that I had on hand here at home. And the reason is because when I was going through the yarn in the box, I noticed that it was much thinner than the yarn I typically use. So I wanted to just try to see how it would work up with the yarn that I'm going to use most often. I do like the yarn that's provided in the box and I'll definitely keep it for other projects. I like the colors. It's not that bad. It's not the best yarn, but definitely something that I'll keep around and work with. And then I'll just save it for something else. And then after these two colors, the next thing in the box is the embroidery thread. And the embroidery thread is used to make the nose, the mouth, little highlights in the eyes, and then the embroidery for the cutie marks. And so they give you 3 pieces of felt. The black you can use to make the eyes, and then the other 2 colors are to embroider on the cutie marks for Twilight Sparkle and Rainbow Dash. And then they also provide a yarn needle and then a smaller needle for the embroidery. And the embroidery thread's just typical embroidery thread. And with the book, we're going to go through that here in just a moment. And once you lift up this backing, you've got the crochet needle, which is 2.75, and that's just little twist ties holding that in place, and it comes out really easy. And it's just an aluminum crochet hook, and on it does a 2.75. And then there's a couple more colors of yarn that they put under, and then after the yarn we've got the stuffing, which I don't much care for this stuffing. I like polyfill much better. So now we are able to take a look at the book. And the patterns in the book are really well done. Once you get into the book, you'll see that you've got the contents for looking up all the ponies. You've got the abbreviations, what's included with the kit. We've got stitch techniques, and so you can kind of flip back and forth if there's a stitch that you stumble across that you just need a little help with. Lots of pictures, really good pictures too. And the instructions I found when I was working on one of the ponies, I thought they were pretty easy to follow, and I was able to get through my pony without any trouble at all. So I also want to show on the box all the projects you can make. Now I'm not real familiar with all the names of the ponies, so I'm just going to go through and show what's on the side of the box, and those who are more familiar are going to be able to recognize which ponies are which. But I thought that, the colors, the style, really cute, and if you're a fan of the My Little Pony series, I'm sure these are going to be a hit. And the next part we're going to do is we're going to show the project I made. Now, I'm not great at crochet, but I did have a lot of fun making this. These are the little wings, and got those. Then with the eyes, I used the felt provided and then put the little white highlights in with the embroidery thread. We've got the little cutie mark, which I'll explain a little more later. And we've got the tail, and just a pretty good size to kind of give you an idea of what the completed project's gonna be like. It doesn't stand up the greatest, but definitely cute. Now, one of the things with the cutie marks was I followed the instructions and traced the style of it and then embroidered it onto some felt. But the cutie marks are so much bigger than what can fit, so I was only using one of the little butterflies. If I tried to use all three, it was just way too big for the area. But this is the completed project, and I just kind of wanted to give you an idea of what's in the box and if this project would be something that you would be interested in. Thank you so much. Have a great day.